In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Google Analytics data. Exporting your Google Analytics data can be incredibly useful for deeper analysis, reporting, or simply to have a local backup of your website's performance statistics. Whether you're a marketer, analyst, or business owner, understanding how to efficiently export this data will empower you to make more informed decisions. First, let's get started by navigating over to the Google Analytics homepage. To do this, open your web browser and visit the Analytics website. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account that has access to the analytics data you wish to export. Once you're on the homepage, you should see an overview of your analytics properties. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen, where you'll find a menu. Click on the Reports tab. This section is your gateway to all the detailed reports that Google Analytics has to offer. It's where you can view data on user behavior, acquisition, conversions, and much more. By clicking on Reports, you'll open up a new set of options. Now it's time to select the specific data you want to export. This is a crucial step as it determines what information you'll be working with later. Depending on your goals, you might choose to export data related to user demographics, traffic sources, or conversion paths. Use the navigation and filters within the Reports section to narrow down exactly what you need. Take your time here to ensure you're capturing the right metrics and dimensions. Once you have your data view set up exactly how you want it, look for the Share button, usually located towards the top of the report page. Click on this button to reveal a drop-down menu with various sharing and export options. This is where you'll find the tools to export your data out of Google Analytics. Now, from the drop-down menu, select the Download File option. Google Analytics will provide you with several file format options, such as PDF, Excel, XLSX, or CSV. Choose the format that best suits your needs based on how you plan to use the data. CSV is often a good choice if you plan to do further analysis in a spreadsheet application like Excel or Google Sheets. After selecting your preferred file format, the download should begin automatically. Depending on the size of the dataset, this might take a few moments. Once the file has downloaded, you can open it using the appropriate application on your computer to begin your analysis or to incorporate it into your reports. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your Google Analytics data. With this data at your fingertips, you're now ready to dive deeper into understanding your website's performance and making data-driven decisions. Thank you for watching, and happy analyzing.